You want to be rich? You want success? Then you need to stop hiding. Because wealth doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who show up. In public, in conversations, in the rooms where decisions are made. Today we're diving deep into why visibility isn't just a buzzword. It's the real unspoken currency of success. Let's get into the psychology of it. Our brains are hardwired to notice what's visible. There's a concept called the availability heuristic. We automatically value what we see and hear more often. It feels more important, more real. If you're not seen, you're not remembered. And if you're not remembered, you're not chosen. Think about it. Whether it's for a job, a major deal, or a life-changing partnership, visibility builds perceived value. It creates familiarity, and that familiarity builds a foundation of trust. And trust? That's the gateway to every single opportunity you've ever wanted. This brings me to my next point. Networking is not optional. Every single successful person you admire has one thing in common. They know people, and more importantly, people know them. Networking isn't about awkwardly exchanging business cards and hoping for a callback. It's about strategically building social capital. The more people you know, the more problems you can solve. And solving valuable problems is exactly how you get paid. And here is a deep insight most people miss. It is often your weak ties, your acquaintances, not your close friends, that lead to the biggest opportunities. The stats don't lie. Most jobs, deals, and investments come from who you know, not just what you know. Now, let's bring this into your workplace. In your job, being good at what you do simply isn't enough. You have to be seen being good. You have to be assertive, speak up in meetings, and take the initiative on projects that matter. Promotions don't magically find the quiet genius hiding in the corner. They go to the visible contributor, the one who communicates their value clearly. If your brilliant ideas stay locked in your head because you're not in the room or you're too afraid to speak, they don't count. So, make it a rule. Speak in meetings, even if it's just to ask a smart question. Volunteer for those cross-functional projects, and intentionally build relationships with the decision makers. Your career depends on it. On the flip side, isolation is the absolute enemy of growth. When you stay hidden away, you limit your exposure to new ideas, critical feedback, and powerful collaboration. You create an echo chamber where your own thoughts just bounce back at you. Real growth happens in public. It happens in conversations, in debates, and in shared experiences with people who challenge you. If you're not out there, you're not evolving. Steve Jobs didn't build Apple alone in a garage. He built it through dynamic teams and masterful public visibility. Oprah didn't become a media mogul by staying quiet. She owned the stage and commanded attention. So, how do you become more visible, starting today? You don't need to become a loud extrovert overnight. Start small, but be consistent. Make it a goal to attend one industry event a month. Commit to posting your thoughts on a professional platform like LinkedIn once a week. Challenge yourself to speak up in every single meeting. Reach out and introduce yourself to one new person every week. Remember, visibility isn't arrogance. It's a deliberate strategy. You're not showing off. You're showing up. Success doesn't come to the silent. It comes to the visible. So step out. Be bold. Be seen. Because the world is ready to reward those who have the courage to show up. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more deep insights on success, mindset, and growth. Thanks for watching.